Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Maths with Risha. So today I am going to start with class 9 ML Aggarwal Algebra, and the chapter is expansions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let us begin with the formulas. Few of the formulas are from your previous class, that is class 8, and few are the new ones that gets added in class 9. So let's see the first one, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. These formulas you know from previous hand. Now from point 2, the formulas are the new ones, that is a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab into plus bc plus ca. Then a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you want, you can also substitute that 3ab into a plus b in more simplified form. So it becomes 3ab a square b plus 3ab square. Similarly for 4, that is a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Similarly here also you can multiply 3ab with a minus b. Now 5, a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. 6, a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now the 7th one, that is the longest one, that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. For 8th one, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is x cube plus bracket a plus b plus c x square plus a plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. If a plus b plus c becomes 0, then we can say a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now you can ask, ma'am, from where do we have derived these formulas? That is not in your syllabus, so we are not going to go into that. But you need to remember all of these formulas. If any formula that will be required in the future, we might get add to this formula list. So for now you can take a screenshot or write it or note down it in your copy. Now let us dive into our sums. First sum tells 2x plus 7y whole square. So see, this formula is similar to a plus b whole square. So we are just putting this thing in the formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab into ab, that is 4x square plus 49y square plus 28xy. Isn't it simple? So now for the second one, it's the same thing, half x plus 2 by 3y whole square. Again which formula? A plus b whole square formula. So we are putting the values according to the formula prescribed and we are getting the answer, that is 1 by 4x square plus 4 by 9y square plus 2 by 3xy. For sum number 2, that is 3x plus half x whole square. Now many of the students I have seen, they turn this. Why? We are doing expansions. So whatever the values that is provided, we need to expand it, not exponent. We are not doing exponent that we need to change this half into 2x minus 1, not required. We need to expand. Expand on what basis? The formula prescribed basis. Here we can simply see that it is a and b, and in the middle there is plus. So we need to expand it on the formula, that is a plus b whole square. Putting the values accordingly, we are getting 9x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 3. That's it. We are not going to do LCM and this all that, not required. We just stop till here because as the chapter is prescribing us to do so. Now for question number 2, second part, you are going to do that for homework and let me know what is the answer. For 3 1 and 3 2, it is almost similar to your sum number 1 part 2 and 2 part 1. So you are going to do the formula, as you can see I have already written, and let me know in the comments. So for sum number 4, that is x plus 3 into x plus 5. Is it similar to any formula from the formula list that I have shown? No. So we know this from class 6 and 7. If two elements are given, no similarity, no formula is also being put, so we can directly multiply. That becomes x into x, that becomes x square. Then x into 5 plus is given, so plus 5x. 3 into x, plus is here, so plus 3x. 3 and all the plus here, plus, so plus, and multiplied 15. Simplifying this, 5, 6, 7, 8, so x square plus 8x plus 15. Sum 2, that is x plus 3 into x plus 5. No formula prescribed, nothing is common, so directly multiply. That is x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15, x square minus 2x minus 15. That's the answer. For part 3, x minus 7 into x plus 9. So multiplying it and simplifying it and getting the answer as x square plus 2x minus 9. Fourth one, x minus 2y into x minus 3y. So it becomes x square minus 3yx minus 2xy plus 6y square, that is x square plus 6y square minus 5xy. That's it. Number 5 part 1. We can see x minus 2y minus z whole square. Initially you might think what to do, because we don't have any formula that is with minus. We have a plus b plus c. So now we have a plus b plus c. So we take the minus in bracket. Whatever the term is, we take the minus terms in bracket. And what we do, we make this a plus b plus c format, a plus b plus c whole square format. See, this is the formula. Then put these values in this formula, substitute it. So we get x square, that is the a square, b square, that is minus 2y square, c square, that is minus z square, plus 2 into ab, that is minus 2xy, plus minus 2y into minus z, then plus z minus z into x. Then on solving this portion and this portion, we get it as x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 4xy plus 4z minus 2zx. For 5 part 2, it's the same thing, previous one, like the previous one. So our first target is taking the minus as a bracket and making it plus, so that it matches with the a plus b plus c whole square formula. Then again substituting it exactly as it is, then calculating whatever the calculation is required. Then we are just getting 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 12xy minus 24zx plus 16xz. That's it. Now in this expansion, you have to be very careful with the calculations. See, when you were in class 8, 2 terms were the maximum ones, but as you grow, you get these sums in more expanded forms. So calculation, it is very easy, but because of the calculation, you might land up to a 0 score. So be very careful in that. 6, 1. 2x plus 3x minus 1. Similarly, we know a plus b plus c formula we have to make it. So we make it as 2x plus 3x plus minus 1 whole square and put it into this formula. That is this. On simplifying, we get 4x square plus 9 by x square plus 13 minus 6 by x minus 4x. Now I am already writing this formula. Even when you are doing the sums in your exams, it is most important to write this, okay? Not like this, but while solving, just in this side. But for now I am doing like this because this is your new session and new class has just begun. So that is the why you don't get confused and formulas become more familiar to you. I am writing it in this format. Part 2, this is 2 by 3x minus 3 by 2x minus 1 whole square. So we are just putting the formula according to the formula that we have just learned, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Just simplifying it and getting 4 by 9 plus, sorry I missed out, 4 by 9 x square minus 9 by 4 x square minus 1, 3 by x minus 4 by 3x. Sum number 1, that is x plus 2 whole cube. Very easy, a plus b whole cube formula. So this is the formula, substituting accordingly and we get x cube plus 6x square plus 20. Part 2, similarly a plus b whole cube format, just putting the formula and substituting it, we get 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab. See over here, that is 3ab into a plus b, so we are multiplying this and we are getting this. Sum number 8, again 3x plus 1 by x whole cube, this is also a plus b whole cube format, simplifying it according to the formula and getting 27x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 27x plus 9 by x. 8 2, that is 2x minus 1 whole cube, this is a minus b whole cube format, putting the formula here, then substituting this formula, given sum according to the formula, and we get 8x cube minus 12x square plus 6x minus 1. Sum number 9, 5x minus 3y whole cube. I know by now you people have become smart in this, so now you tell me which formula. That is a minus b whole cube formula, putting that in this format and just simplifying it into this. That's it. Even for 9 part 2, it's as simple as that. A minus b whole cube, putting it in a minus b whole cube formula, simplifying it and getting the answer, that is 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube minus 4x square by y plus 2x by 3y square. That's it. Sum number 10 part 1. The sum is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Very easy. Directly putting into a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula. This is the formula. Then looking if anything cancels out or not. It gets cancelled out. So it becomes 2a square plus 2b square. So we are taking 2 common into a square plus b square. Now for part 2, that is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Similarly putting the values, next simplifying and seeing if anything cancels out, many things gets cancelled out, so it becomes 4ab. 11 part 2, a plus 1 by whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square, a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula. Simplifying, getting 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. And for the second part, it is also the same thing, simplifying according to the formula and it comes as 4. We are stopping here today. Next class will be the rest sums. Now please be very careful with these sums. Do these sums well and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. So meet you in the next class. Thank you so much for watching.